Hello everyone. Let's begin with a thought provoking question. Have you ever noticed how some leaders manage multiple responsibilities without getting overwhelmed? The secret lies in delegation and empowerment. Great leaders know they cannot do everything alone, so they rely on their teams to share the workload and achieve success together. In this lecture, we will explore how to delegate tasks effectively and empower team members to take ownership, which drives better results. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the concept of delegation and its importance in leadership. Learn how empowerment motivates teams and enhances productivity. Discover practical steps to delegate tasks and build team ownership. Delegation is the process of assigning tasks to others. It allows leaders to focus on strategic decisions while their team handles day to day responsibilities. For example, in the early days of Apple, Steve Jobs focused on product design and innovation. He delegated marketing and operations to his team, ensuring the company ran smoothly while he concentrated on creating groundbreaking products. Now, let's discuss the importance of delegation. Number one, increases efficiency. Delegation allows leaders to distribute work among team members, ensuring tasks are completed more quickly and efficiently. Leaders can focus on higher level priorities while others handle routine or specialized tasks. Number two, empowers team members. Delegation shows trust in team members' abilities. When employees are given responsibility, they feel valued and motivated to perform well. This empowerment leads to increased job satisfaction and productivity. Delegation is not about offloading work, it is about trusting others to complete tasks while providing the guidance they need. This approach saves time, reduces stress, and builds a stronger, more capable team. Imagine a relay race. Each runner passes the baton to the next, ensuring the team completes the race faster. If one person tried to run the entire race alone, they would burn out. Delegation works the same way. Leaders hand over the responsibility to their teams, allowing everyone to contribute and reach the goal more efficiently. Empowerment goes hand in hand with delegation. It involves giving team members the authority, tools, and confidence to make decisions and take ownership of their work. Empowered employees feel trusted and motivated, which leads to higher productivity and innovation. Take Google as an example. The company encourages employees to spend 20% of their time on projects they're passionate about. This policy has led to some of Google's most successful innovations like Gmail and Google Maps. Empowerment creates a sense of accountability. When team members feel they own a project, they are more likely to give their best effort and ensure its success. Delegation is not just about handing out tasks, it requires careful planning and communication. Here is how leaders can delegate effectively. Number one, identify the right tasks. Not every task should be delegated. Leaders should focus on strategic work and delegate routine or specialized tasks. For example, a manager might delegate data analysis to a team member with strong analytical skills. Number two, choose the right person. Assign tasks to individuals with skills and entrust to handle them. When people are assigned work they're good at, they are more likely to succeed. For instance, assigning a graphic design project to a designer with a creative background ensures quality work while helping team members feel valued. Number three, provide clear instructions. Explain the task's purpose, expected outcomes, and deadlines. Clear communication reduces confusion and ensures the team members know what to do. For example, instead of saying prepare a report, specify create a 5-page sales report summarizing trends and include visuals submitted by Friday. Number four, offer support. Delegation does not mean abandoning the team member. Leaders should be available to answer questions and provide guidance when needed. Number five, trust and let go. Once the task is delegated, trust the person to complete it. Micromanaging can undermine their confidence and motivation. Empowered employees feel valued and trusted, which boosts their confidence and performance. Leaders can empower their teams by providing opportunities for professional growth, encouraging creativity and innovation, recognizing and rewarding contributions. An example is Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group. He empowers his team members by giving them the freedom to make decisions. His leadership style has helped Virgin grow into a global brand across various industries. When leaders delegate tasks and empower their teams, they create a culture of trust and collaboration. This combination leads to higher efficiency, stronger relationships, and better results. For instance, Amazon's leadership emphasizes delegation and empowerment at all levels. Employees are encouraged to take ownership of projects and make decisions that align with the company's goals. This approach has been key to Amazon's growth and success. Choose a leader or manager you admire. Write a one-page report explaining how they use delegation and empowerment to achieve success. Include examples of tasks they delegated and how their team responded. In summary, delegation and empowerment are essential for effective leadership and team success. Delegation allows leaders to focus on strategic goals, while empowerment motivates team members to take ownership and deliver outstanding results. Have you ever worked on a project where tasks were delegated? How did it feel to take ownership of part of the work? Share your experiences in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.